And many people are saying I voted yes, why? And I want to ask the media people, have you ever heard Ruto saying no? Have you ever said no? Have you ever said yes? He has given us a space as members of the parliament to register according to your interests where you are. And my friend, politics is local. It's local. Lazima uangalie, where are we going? For example, as Ngunjiri, if I could have said no, and Central they want seats from Central, wamefinywa miaka yote, hawajapata equal shares ya presentation of the parliament. Saa hii wanapata. Mimi nirudi nipinge hiyo. Nitarudi niende huko nikaombea DP kula namna gani? It's not possible. Tumenyima watu wa Central tuseme ati sisi tumeenda no, hiyo katiba isipite, wasipoe viti, wasipoe nini, wasipoe pesa, MCA wasipoe pesa. By the way, this constitution, MCA, they have been given 40 million per year. Nakuru County, we are having 5 MPs. Naivasha, it is now approaching 200,000 voters. Can you imagine? MP is 1. Jane Kihara. When we have been given every member of the parliament in this country, 290 MPs. Pesa ya this year tunapewa 137 million ya CDF. How much money watu ya Naivasha wana lose? If I deny the people of Naivasha the representative yao ikose kwa sababu ya mimi kuenda nipige no, conscious yangu kama mzee hainikubali. Kwa sababu calculate naona Naivasha 200,000 votes inahitaji kuwa na wajumbe wa 4, almost 5. When sisi UDA tunasema from bottom to top economy. Hii mambo ya BBI in one part imelete the same thing. Inaleta pesa mashinani, MCA watapata pesa ya kutosha, vijana watapewa pesa ya kutosha, lakini structure is our problem. The problem is not that we don't have money. The problem is structure na wale watu wachungi pesa na wale watu wanaiba. That's where there is a problem, a big one. So for me, that's why I voted yes. And now I know I'm very popular everywhere because I've agreed to share the cake. Hii inaonekana kila mtu atakuwa na size ya mkate. Make sure kama kwako kunanuka harufu ya chapati Christmas, pia kwa ule mwingine inanuka. And we shall have peace. But when people have know that, there's a problem. Ruto died na alikuja when there is need. Uhuru wanted somebody who can help him and who has people. And that's why he went kwa Ruto. So, I still respect Ruto for that. My president have not told me something different. He just told me 10-10, go and follow Ruto. That's what he said.